This is Dr. Alvin Philipose, and today we're going to be talking about Niagen, one of the biggest things that we do to unlock cellular metabolism energy. At Venturis, we're always looking to somehow unlock your body's potential, and harnessing Niagen to enhance cellular metabolism and promote overall wellness is really fascinating. So, Niagen is a form of vitamin B3. Niagen is really used for cellular function and energy production. It's known as a precursor to NAD, and it's a critical coenzyme for energy metabolism. One of the biggest reasons I love using Niagen is that it can be delivered a little bit faster than traditional NAD+. Our NAD+, typically we'll do it in peptide just because true NAD is given over a period of 2 to 3 hours. It's found in food, so Niagen is found in small amounts in various foods, contributing to their daily nutritional intake and energy balance. So what exactly can we understand and the importance of NAD+? Well, NAD is crucial for the energy production and cellular repair within the body, so it plays a really vital role in converting these nutrients into energy. So you got to understand glycolysis and Krebs cycle is really important for cellular respiration. That is your body's ability to take food or glucose and convert it into ATP production. And it's really used for physical and cognitive function. It's actually one of the main treatments that we'll do for people with Alzheimer's and early stage Alzheimer's, early stage cognitive decline. It offers a lot of other benefits itself, especially as far as vitality and health. Utilizing Niagen, I do love it more in IV form compared to capsule. It is an added-on type of treatment. We can include that with stuff like glutathione and vitamin C therapy as well. So low energy, you experience a significant boost in your daily vitality. Brain fog really helps and enhances clarity and focus, especially for cognitive performance, and really used for anti-aging support. We've got real stories and real results, and you can check our 5-star reviews as well as a lot of our patients that will comment in our Instagram and Google reviews. So if you're ready to take the next steps, you can follow us on Instagram at Venturis Clinic. You can email us at venturisclinic@gmail.com, or you can phone us at 405-848-7246. If you're traveling from out of state, we have hotels in the nearby area that you can stay at. You really need to bring us any type of lab work that you may have taken. If we do need to order lab work, we can actually deliver that to where you're staying or where you live at. And we can actually do a phone consultation or a Zoom call to see what's right for you. We are a very comprehensive clinic, so we have natural doctors, medical doctors, PAs, all on standby to deliver the best care possible for you.